Today's video is all things Decor Tabletop Open Collaboration. It's hosted by Debbie Bubbles and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Their co-hosts are Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden Lifestyle Design with Teresa, At Home with Lisa, Design with Emma, myself, Deborah Kabaska, Home Living, Creations by Simone, Design and Style with Stacy, Heating with Miss K, and Decorating with Jazzarine. So come along as I show you my tabletops. Good afternoon, everyone. Today's video is all things decor tabletop. So what I decided to do was show you a few of my tabletops outdoors. So let's go ahead and I'm going to show you this first one. Never mind the truck, we have any trees trimmed, so Willie has it parked in the yard. But anyway, I have a large lantern on this tabletop. Then I have a smaller lantern that I purchased from the Goodwill. And what I've done, I've added a yellow flower to it. And the larger lantern, what I've done is added a light to it. On this side here, I've added a plant with the purple pot and the purple plant. So this is one of my end tables, and that's how I decorated it. So what I'll do is go over and show you a couple of more of my tables so you can see how I decorated my tables outside. Okay, the next table I'm going to show you is actually my bar cart. So come along, let's take a look at it. Now, I'll tell you a little bit about what I've done here. Now, the cart came from Ross's, and what I've done, I've went in and added this cute little lamp. I picked it up at Walmart for $10, and it just lights up this area at night. The 4 glasses you see here, I did pick those up at Ross's, and the drinks here come from Ross's also. That flower was from Joann Fabric, and then on the bottom I have the flowers were from Joann Fabrics, the planters were from Walmart, and again the drinks were from Ross's. So this is my tabletop on my bar. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is show you the tabletop on my fire pit. When I'm not using it as a fire pit, I'll show you how I use that as a tabletop. So come along, let's go over and take a look at the fire pit. Okay, so now we're gonna take a look at the fire pit table here. And I keep this very simple in case I want to light the fire. So I keep it very simple. But let me show you and tell you a little bit about what I've done. I've taken the leaves here from Temu and I'm using them as a table runner. I have the 2 white beautiful balls from Goodwill, and this beautiful candle that lights up beautifully at night from Goodwill. I've also added a flower and the two little birds, which are from the Dollar Tree. And I did go in and paint them black. But this is a very, very simple little table design for your outdoor living area. And last and not least, I'm going to take you over here and show you a little shelf that I put together for the outdoor living area. So let's take a look at it. The next one I'm going to show you is just a little shelf that I have out here. You can take a look at it. And as you can see, what I've done, I've hanged the Simply Blessed sign. I've taken one of the Walmart planters and added a boxwood to it. The Simply Blessed, I got that sign from At Home. And this vase here comes from Walmart. And I added the boxwood. And I think I got that from Joann Fabric. This little vase here was from Temu. And I just put it on top of the little bowl to give it some height. And the flowers, the leaves also were from Temu. The little rope tie was from Amazon. So that is how I've styled this simple little shelf. Okay, I have one more to show you, and that's gonna be my outdoor coffee table. So let's go ahead and take a look at it now. Hey guys, let's check out my fifth and final table. And this is the table in my living area. So let's go ahead and take a look at what I've done with it. Okay, so let me tell you a little bit about this table. What I've done here, I've added the lantern, and I did have a video on this, and you can go back and check that out. The lantern was from Goodwill. The little birds inside were from the Dollar Tree, and the flowers were from Joann Fabric. The Chanel book is from Amazon, and the gold book was from Hobby Lobby. The flower balls are from the Goodwill, and the little tic-tac-toe was from Home Goods. The vase here is from Walmart, and the boxwood was from Joann Fabrics. I have also made a table runner with the big leaves that I purchased from Temu. In the back, you can see I do have my tabletop little fire pit. So this is the table I have set up in my living area. I truly hope I've given you all some ideas on decorating your table in your outdoor living area. I did want to show you this because we all have tables all over our outdoor living areas. I want to thank the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Debbie Bubbles for inviting me to be a part of this tabletop decor. I will be leaving their information and all of the creators who are participating in this tabletop collaboration. I want to thank the design family for coming along with me, because without you, I could not do this. Again, I say thank you. And if you're not a part of our family, I'm going to ask that you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and don't you forget to ring that bell so you will be notified of all of my upcoming videos. I also want to say a thank you to all of my new subscribers. You are truly, truly welcome. This is Emma, and I'm going to be seeing you all in my next video.